Section 4, controls over information. Information then utilised by management encompasses commercially sensitive details that require protection both internally and externally to safeguard the organisation's interests. The creation and analysis of information entails costs, necessitating consideration for both routine and ad hoc reporting. Before generating information or reports, a cost-benefit analysis should be conducted, evaluating the balance between the ease of creation and the utility of the output. It's essential to avoid duplication of information, to streamline processes and enhance efficiency in information management. It's very important then to secure confidential information. Any kind of electronic information system then is at risk of unauthorised access, and this could come from both within the organisation internally or from outside of the organisation there externally. So, in order then to protect these systems, there'll be a number of controls in place, such as passwords there, specific database controls, a firewall then that prevents outside access, antivirus software then that prevents viruses infecting systems, and encryption there of data, as well as more practical kind of physical controls there. For example, then having a locked door on a server room where a lot of the organisation's then data is held. So let's think then about prevention mechanisms here in a multiple choice question. Which two then of the following do we think can be used to prevent and ensure the security of confidential information held by a business? A. Changing laptop passwords frequently. B. Installing ransomware. C. Using encryption. And D. Removing physical controls where possible. Well, the correct answers here then are clearly A. Changing laptop passwords frequently, and C. Using encryption. Many organisations then require their employees to regularly change their password. This prevents then a situation where someone unauthorised gains access to an employee's computer because they know their password. Encryption then is used to protect confidential information. It effectively then scrambles all of the information here being transmitted until a key then is used to descramble it. And this is used commonly in apps like WhatsApp, which prides itself then on encrypting all of its messaging there.